There's old man. What's up, Mike Thompson? Camera shaky. I'm about to drop my stuff.
Love, baby.
Where are we at, Mike? What's going on? Where are we at? What are we doing?
We are at Nitty Gritty Chopper City in a small town called, what the fuck is this? Grape Town. Oh, I'm sorry about the language.
It's okay. It's okay.
But cool.
Grapeland?
Grapeland?
Yeah.
And we're at Salmon River Park.
Yeah.
And it's a beautiful park.
Yeah, big old pine trees.
Big pine trees, big cypress trees.
Yeah, big lakes back over there. It's pretty cool. Yeah, so we're gonna go venture around, check it out.
3 of them right there on the end.
Yep. Got an old town over there, some vendors, so we're gonna go check out what's going on. Vintage choppers around here.
think the most I ever been the most. And I learned, I said, I gotta come up with something.
I'm sure you guys like this song.
Don't start something. What's up? First of all, he didn't look, no, there was no chance. I mean, actually less than 0.
I bet Nick
It's not
knows this
possible.
song.
Yeah, but that's how possible it was. We got a beer gobble.
Great races, man. No one really got hurt. Friday, he had first place. It was Dylan Clemens. He's left. I will take his merch back to him. And Tate Cochran. Where you at, Tate? I saw him here earlier.
Sorry.
Tate! They're going to get him right now. Come on, Tate. I see him running for you. There he is.
You're the winner.
All right, I'm donating the merch for this. So you get a hat and a t-shirt in your size. Go over there to the merch booth and get a Destroyer Garage hat and t-shirt, all right? It's on the house. Tell me Eric Vaughn said so. Come here.
Good job.
Fuck yeah. Thank you, dude.
All right. Today we had second place, Cohen French. Where you at, Cohen? Cohen. There you go, second place.
Second place, go up there and get a hat. Fuck yeah. If you ain't first, you're last. Ricky Bobby. Go up to the merch booth over there with the black tent. Right there. She's waving her hands, ain't she? Is she waving her hands yet? There she is. Yeah. Right there.
All right. And first place today was Andy McMahon. Out one. Yeah. since Eric ran off, you're gonna go over there and get a shirt, a t-shirt, and a hat.
Picture.
Okay? Good job. All right, thank y'all.
Good job, brother.
What we got next?
You know what? If somebody would have knocked my carburetor off, I'd have been right there.
Listen,
Sore
if you guys
loser.
enter into the raffle for the skateboard deck, now's the time to be here because he's picking the raffle now. Right now. Are you ready?
Is it on? Yeah, we're on. All right, ladies and gentlemen, kind of a different video, little race action for your satisfaction. So, want to apologize for the language in some of the videos. It's a bike rally, and yeah, it's just part of it. But anything goes at this bike rally. First time we ever came, very cool place, Salmon Lake Park. Nitty Gritty Chopper City. So check them out. They got a Facebook page and all that. So thanks for the folks for having us out. We had a good old time. And this is a very cool place. They got lakes, ponds, and cabins. Old town that we were just down in. So anyway, so wife had a problem with her camera, so we didn't get any of the action shot pictures. So she's got to figure out what's going on with that. And good time hanging out with the brothers down here. So if you like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to share it with your friends, family,
And subscribe.
and your pastor at church. Yes, and make sure you subscribe. And congrats to the old man back here, Mr. Andy. Good job. I've made it to the main, and first right out of the hole, young, inexperienced rider decided to plow on the side of me and rip my carburetor off. So that's the only reason why Andy got first place this time, because I was out. But and this is a good kid, his first time racing mini bikes, so you kind of get really upset, but and the kid is like, well, how old was he, Andy?
14.
14, and just
had heart surgery.
Just had heart surgery. If I'd have known that, I went and punched him in the chest. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not that way. But his first time racing, so we educated him. Said, hey, he was cool about it. Come over, and he said sorry about it. So that's the way. That's part of racing. You bump somebody, you tell them, hey, sorry about it. Then you're all good. So congrats, brother Andy, man. It's good to come see you and hang out with you.
See you too, brother.
Yeah, congratulations.
No, knuckle.
That's it. And he's always representing. So love you, brother. Appreciate it. All right, just a small recap of this weekend's races. I was riding this one because we had a very short track. So I rode my old faithful here, the old DB30 Viper. Made it to the mains. I got a decent start, then I got plowed right into the back of. Didn't even make half a lap, and got plowed right inside me, ripped the carburetor off, and yeah. So I didn't make the didn't feature in the mains, or didn't make the main race because carburetor hanging off, fuel line pouring the gas out. They didn't do restart, so we're gonna have to do a little maintenance of that. We got air filters a little on the chewed up side. I just kind of shoved it back on there and put the fuel on because it's pouring gas out of the filter. I gotta fix some busted zip ties and some electrical wires that were zip tied to it. Then we got some new battle scarage right here from his tire. All that black on there. So now that side matches previous side right there. Look at that. That's rubbing. If you ain't rubbing, you ain't racing. But anyway, so it was still a fun time. But I thought I could place in the main feature, but brother Andy took home the first place. Congrats to him. But then we had dirt drags, so I went over and thought, man, let me try out the dirt drags. And luckily I did. Before I went, I didn't film it. But Go Power Sports has a new tire out. These are the tires I had on the bike previously. If you've seen it in the video, these are a 400 by 10. Nice pattern, real thin, tire, real light tire. But I got these from them. They fixed me up with these. Now these are their new, I think they're called a Ripper ATV tire, and they're a 130/90 by 10. See if we can zoom in on that. Yeah, 130/90 by 10. And these things are wider. I was wondering if I was gonna have a clearance, because this front end is all like homemade. The top trees and all that, they're homemade. So regular front ends, you should have plenty of clearance. I was really close down here, You can kind of see in there. That's close. But hey, nothing rubbed, so everything was good. Things are really good. They bite. You know, compare your other ones. Let's stand this up here and see how they look for y'all. There you go. For a comparison, it's like day and night difference. But these things right here, they got some cleat to them. And I'm glad I put them on before I left. I've been meaning to do it for a while. Just been busy. So, shout out to Go Power Sports, because when I put your new tires on, I took home the win in the mini bike drags at the Nitty Gritty Chopper City dirt drag. So, yeah, awesome. Then these babies hooked up, and basically it was a competition. You just pulled around and run whoever, and once you get 2 losses, you were out. So, I made it, and with only 1 loss, cleaned house. It was pretty cool. One thing cool about these tires, let me jump back, I'm getting way deal. But when you get these new tires right here, the Ripper ATVs, they'll come nice Christmas wrapped all up with this colored paper. Looks like, I think they call them Christmas tires. Anyway, but when you get them, what's cool about them, pull this out, hold on. These come in your tire. You know, sometimes you get tires from people and they, just the way they box them, they get squished, right? Your tire gets all squished and you have to leave it out in the sun or stuff it full of newspaper, which, you know, or put your inner tube in it to expand the tire out. Well, when you get these new Rippers, they come with these in there, which is very cool, and it keeps your tire from getting deformed. Go Power Sports, thinking right there, boy. But anyway, you just take it, trying to do this one-handed and watch the camera, boom, you drop it in place, and as you can see, Rick don't throw anything away around here. We repurpose everything for something. So what did I do after I put the new tires on? We took the plastic deals and I put them in my old tires. Look at that. So the tire doesn't get all deformed. You can stack them. Stack all your tires up. Look at that. When you get ready to remount these on something else, which we will, then your tire's not all deformed. So it's very cool. Makes it really easy to put them on. So yeah, Go Power Sports was thinking when they did that. Pretty cool if they could do that with like all their tires, but you know, you'd have to get different sizes and all that. But anyway, very cool tires. So shout out to Go Power Sports. Good old them Rippers made me rip, put me into first place. So I'm gonna show you what I got. You know, I got a from the Devil's Backbone Tavern. It's in the hill country over here in Texas. I've actually rode them. They're a real cool place. A lot of guys ride their Harleys and stuff all through the hill country over there. And one of the coolest places to stop and get a good hamburger, cold refreshments, is the Devil's Backbone Tower. Real scenic place. So they sponsor the gift, the win for the drags, for the mini bikes. So they fixed me up with a cool shirt, and it's a tank top. So you know what that means. It's summertime, so we can wear the tank top. Sun's out. We can put the guns out. Oh yeah. Anyway, they gave me make stickers, man. Who don't like stickers? So I got a cool tavern sticker there. And we got another one here. So go check them out. They're on Instagram, social media. Real cool place. If you're ever over in the hill country, swing by and holler at them. And we also got some. This is a 10-year anniversary. We got the Nitty Gritty Chopper City bracelet. So we're gonna put that in the showroom somewhere. So shout out to Devil's Backbone Tower. Appreciate the shirt. So anyway, all right, well, we're gonna get on with it, but y'all need some good 10-inch tires for all terrain or your race tires. These tires bite way better than the other tires. So I like how the sidewall was. I just very impressed with these. I've ripped this bike around in the yard and mud and sand and dirt, but this right here makes all the difference to me in the world. When you go to hang a tight corner and you wonder about that back end fishing out or your front end washing out, that right there was the game saver. But anyway, thanks Go Power Sports.